Hi, welcome to Spanish Fun and Games. I'm Miss Sara at the Wooddale Library, and today we're going to be using a grocery ad to do a number hunt and practice our numbers in Spanish. All you need to play our game today is a grocery ad and something to write with, like a marker or a crayon. Go ahead and grab your supplies and then we'll be all set to play. Are you ready to get started? Open up your ad so you can see 2 pages of numbers at once. And I have a die that I will be rolling, and we will circle that number on the ad. So our first number is, let's count it out, uno, dos, tres. Can you find a trace on your ad? Oh, I have one right here. Go ahead and circle your number. Did you find a number 3? Good job. Okay, let's roll. Our next number, you can count it out with me. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. Do you have a seis on your ad? I have a bunch of them. I'm going to circle this one right here. Did you circle a 6? Great. Our next number is uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Can you find a cuatro with me? Oh, here's one right up here. Did you find a 4 on your ad? Awesome. Next number is uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Can you find a cinco? I see one right here. Did you circle the number 5? Good job. Our next number is uno. Let's see, I have an uno right here. Did you find the number 1? Great. Let's do one more. Uno, dos. Whoops, dos. Here's a dos. Did you find the number 2? Great. Okay, now we're going to make it a little harder. I'm going to add a second die, so we're going to roll 2 dice at once and add them together to make a higher number. So I'm going to roll, let's see, I have cinco and cuatro, so we'll start with cinco, and we'll do seis, siete, ocho, nueve. So we have to find a nueve on our ad. Let's see. Oh, I've got one right here. Did you find the number 9? Good job. Okay, let's roll the next one. Ooh, this is a high number. I have seis and seis. So let's count it up. Seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez, once, doce. Can you help me find doce? Oh, this might be a tricky one. Oh, right here. Did you find the number 12? I'll give you a second. That one's a hard one to find. Okay, let me roll the next number. Okay, so we have tres and dos. So we'll start with tres. Cuatro, cinco. Can you help me find a cinco? I have one right here. Did you find the number 5 on your ad? Okay, let's roll. Oh, here's another double. We have cinco and cinco. So if we start with cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Let's look for a diez. This is another tricky number to find. I'm going to look on my other page and see if I can find one. I am not finding one, but that's okay. You know what? I'm going to find the 2 numbers that make up diez. Here's uno, and then I'm going to see if I can find a 0. which I am having trouble doing. That might be the hard part. Oh, here's one. So I will circle that because uno and cero make up 10. Did you find a 10? That was a hard number for me. I found another doce though over here while I was looking. Oh, here's another tricky number. We have 6 and 5. So we're going to count up 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think I saw an 11 when I was looking over here on the second page. So I'm going to look. I did. Here's one. Did you find an 11? That is a hard number to find as well. If you can't find an 11, you could find a 1 and a 1 to make up 11. All right. I have 6 and uno, so 6, 7. See if we can find a 7. Oh, right here. Did you find a 7 in your ad? Great. Oh, here's another double. Cuatro and cuatro. Cuatro, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see if we can find an ocho. Oh, here's one right here. Did you find an 8 on yours? Good. Let's do one more with 2 dice. Oh, this one's easy. Uno and uno son dos. Can you find a dos? Maybe not as easy as I thought. Here's one. Did you find the number 2 on yours? Great job. Okay, so now we're going to try some really tricky ones if you're up for the challenge. All right, our first one, we're going to use this number as the 10s and this number as the 1s. So we're going to do dos and seis, so 26. We're looking for a 26. Oh, here I have one over here. Did you find one? That was a tricky one. Okay, we're going to try another 2-digit number like that. All right, this time, I'm going to drop them. We have a tres and a cuatro. So we're going to, this is 30 and this is cuatro. So we're looking for 30, cuatro, 34. Oh, this one up here. Okay. Did you find a 34? These are some tricky numbers, so if you can't find them, it's okay if you circle the trace and then the cuatro separately, because these are hard to find. Oh, I have another double this time. Cuatro for both of them, so we're going to pretend this is the 10s and this is the 1s, so 44. This is a tricky one too. Oh, here's one. Did you find 44? Okay, we'll do one last number like this. Uno and a dos, so we're going to make doce together. And I think I saw one for here. Got one right there. Did you find a number 12? Okay, good job. So that is our game for today. If you have dice at home, you can continue and you could do this again. You could take a new ad and roll your own numbers and try again. You can even see if you can make up some fun challenges like I did with the 10s and the 1s. If you wanted to do a really hard number, you could add a third dice and you could add all of those together, or you could pretend they're the 10s, the hundreds, the 10s and the 1s, or see what challenges you can come up with. Thanks for coming to play Spanish Fun and Games today. I had a lot of fun practicing my numbers and I hope you did too. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!